Hi there, little explorers. Today, we have a super exciting adventure waiting for you. We're going to meet some amazing animals. Are you ready? Let's go. Our first animal is the king of the jungle, the lion. Look at the lion's big, golden mane. It's like a big, fluffy crown on its head. Lions are really strong and can roar really loudly. But don't worry, they're far away in the wild, so we're safe here. Next, we have a super fast and strong animal, the horse. Show a picture or video clip of a horse. Horses can run really, really fast, just like in the movies. Now, let's meet a furry friend, the cat. Cats are super playful and love to chase toys. They have soft fur and like to purr when they're happy. Cats make great pets and love to cuddle with their owners. Look who's next, the silly goat. Goats like to eat all kinds of things, even tin cans. They have funny beards and horns. Goats are friendly and love to hop around. Our last animal is the tallest one of them all, the giraffe. Show a picture or video clip of a giraffe. Did you know that giraffes have spots, just like big puzzles on their bodies? Wow, we've met some incredible animals today, like the lion, horse, cat, goat, and giraffe. Animals are so fascinating, aren't they? Remember, it's important to be kind to animals and take care of them. We can learn so much from them.